Hey guys, how you doing? This is Julian Lee, and in today's video we're going to be talking about multiple income stream systems and why as a new or struggling affiliate marketer you should be using a multiple income stream system. And of course, if you want to check out what I'm using, my link is in the description field. So let's jump right in today, guys, and let me just give you some great value here. And this is the thing, right? And you know, if in over almost 15 years online, give or take, and I've struggled so many of those years, one thing I've seen across the space is one thing that's very relevant between back then and now. For the people that are great at creating multiple income stream systems, those are better for new and struggling affiliates or even advanced affiliates, because if they're attracting new people and struggling people into that system, that actually gives better results for everyone if they take action like anything else, right? And they actually get better retention by using. This is a great way to actually create true multiple income stream systems, and some of these income stream systems are passive as well, so keep that in mind. All right, so if someone is new or struggling, they don't want to just go out there and actually be involved in about 3 or 4 or 5 different income stream systems, because they have to set up marketing systems for each one of those, and that could get overwhelming, and that won't allow you to focus very well. So that's why a multiple income stream system is best, and that's why you should use one in your business. All right, and you should leverage the different tools and everything associated with that, because there's a certain tools you need if you're marketing online, and this is what these systems provide. Most of these income stream systems, or multiple income stream systems I should say, are generally given away for free. All right, so people will sign up in these a lot faster. They generally actually have a group associated with it. They already have laid out training and resources right there already. So you don't have to worry about that portion of it. You can just go out there and market your system, and naturally and organically, the people who come in that system will actually activate the multiple different income streams within it. Now, they say don't put your eggs in one basket, but even though I'm saying that, this system, even though it seems like your eggs in one basket, it really isn't, because it's one system, but there's 5 different things in there, right? So it's not just one system with one opportunity. Then you're really putting your eggs in one basket, meaning you're marketing one thing, and if something happens to one thing, your income is gone. You have to start from scratch. But if you got a system that actually has multiple income streams within it, 3 to 5 income streams, if something happens to one of those income streams, they could be pulled out and something else could be plugged in, and you can continually use that same system, right? So you see, so in the marketplace, as you're marketing yourself and you're branding yourself, people don't see you jumping from this to that to this to that. They see you consistently marketing one system, put up 2 hands, and they'll go through and actually get the value there. So let me go ahead and bring up Paint real quick and show you guys what that generally looks like, right? And this is what it generally looks like. So if you're a new marketer, or you know, if you're marketing multiple income streams, is what I should say, right? So you got one there, you've got one there, you've got one there. So we'll just use the number 3. We'll use 3 in this particular case, right? Let me wait for my mouse to change so I can move that. There you go. All right. So now you might have to go out there and drive traffic to different capture pages, and this is just a representation of traffic going to a capture page. Come to your sales funnel where you're capturing an email, right? You capture an email there. You capture an email there. And you know, some people do this different. They could go to different lists for each different opportunity. So these are 3 different opportunities. You collect an email, and they're seeing different, you know, bridge pages and sales pages here, right? Same thing here. Same thing here. For a new and struggling affiliate, that could be very daunting. You can actually have different email follow-up sequences there. You got to learn how to nurture these leads and all that good stuff. And you know, this is how it'll look, right? If you're in 3 different things, and again, you know, you're driving traffic to 3 different things and trying to figure, okay, which is going to work better. And if this is paid traffic, you could actually lose money by doing it this way a lot faster, and you don't want to do that. You actually want it to look more like this if you had to do it this way. So I'm going to show you these different ways. I'm going to show you why it's just better to just do it in one system, all right? Let me get rid of those couple boxes. Some folks, if you're more advanced, you'll know how to do it this way. All right, you're going to drive traffic to one capture page. Okay, you're going to capture the email there. And you're going to actually have a follow-up series, right? You're going to have a bridge page or a one-time offer. You're going to have them go to your video. And in this particular case, I'm going to actually just use this. What's going to happen is, say you have, again, I'm going to use 5 in this illustration, right? 5, and there's another box there. And in this illustration, right, the leads are coming through one generic page, and you're going to try and make these congruent with these different offers. Say if you're in the make money online space, offer 1, offer 2, offer 3. Again, don't hold this against me. I'm drawing with my mouse, all right? Let me see you do any better. But there's 5 different offers, right? So what ended up happening is, through email follow-up series, right? You're gonna email about this offer, okay? And some people might take it, some may not. And then you then roll into another email follow-up series about this offer, right? And maybe they don't take that. And then you keep on going, you keep on trying to find the offers in the back end. Sometimes this could even be cost per action CPA offers, this could be CPL offers, whatever the case is. But again, that takes another skill and the ability to mail on a consistent basis for these people to open your message, to get them delivered and all that type of thing, to generate the clicks, to go to these different sales pages, get these sales. So now this is how a system makes it all a lot easier, and that takes the onus off you because you don't have to worry about coming up with all this stuff from jump, right? So in a system, it looks similar, but it's way different. And again, you allow yourself to actually truly make multiple income streams, and some of these income streams are passive. Okay, so I'm gonna use 3 here, but you know what? Let's just add 2 more just for the fun of it. All right. So same thing, but this is a difference, right? You're coming through one system, right? Just like the other one, but you're not sending emails to these different systems, right? When these systems are set up, they're set up in a way to where these are set up in steps, and there's videos about each income stream and why I should join them, and so that way someone makes a decision, and they know when they come in through a system, if they activate this one, and this one, you actually got paid 3 times from that one particular person, right? Of course, if they activate all 5 of them, you got paid 5 times. However, this is the flip side to that. A lot of these systems are set up in a way because you got one link here. I'm just going to put 1 here and a circle around it, right? You got one link, that's your market, right? And if someone just takes this opportunity, they skip that one and they skip that one, as they're marketing their link, because they're going to get their own link for their own system, what's going to end up happening is they market this, and if someone, okay, they take up this opportunity, they get paid there. Oh, they didn't activate this one, they take up this opportunity, you get paid here. And the same thing as step number 5, you get paid here as well. All right, again, it just depends on the opportunities. This could be multiple tiers, whatever the case is, but that's what will happen. But again, this is perfect because if anything happens, and this is a powerful thing about multiple income stream systems, if anything happens to any potential income stream in here, something happens to 3 or 5 that's out of our control, that they could be pulled out of the mix and something else could be there, right? So this could be the new number 3, and this could be the new number 1, not 5, sorry about that. Right? And then again, they're coming through the same system, they got videos breaking these down, and organically people are going to go through these steps and activate these different income systems, right? And there is a fear of loss factor in there, because if they don't activate all 5, they know they actually have the potential to lose affiliate commissions. I have, and it sucks to lose out in commissions. Anyone who has it is like, damn, I wish I would have activated. And that's what happens when people don't take action, they actually miss out. So this is what that looks like real quick on Paint. Let me show you a quick system that I could use as a good illustration of what I'm talking about, right? So here is an example of one of those systems. And like I said, the description is there. I'm actually going to log into the test area. So if you log into a system like this, this is what's so different about it. This is why it works so powerful. And this has worked for years. But I know these people behind these systems, they make great money online. They live a great lifestyle, but they're very good at cultivating a team, cultivating a team using powerful marketing systems, right? A powerful system they give away for free, which is high value anyway. That's a great way, something of benefit with training in there for someone to take advantage of. So I don't know what just happened there. Let me go ahead and log in real quick. Looks like something happened. I don't know if it didn't take my password. Okay, there it goes. So in this particular system, check this out. This is very organic. As you can see, I've got one affiliate link to promote, right? When people come in here, there's a video about step 1, right? And of course, they fill it out, and this is what happens. Once you set everything up, just like they do, when they click on this link, this is coded to you. So this is perfect, and they know, look here, go to step 2. So by default, they're going to follow the steps, right? This is how that works. That's the psychology behind that. So they go on to step number 2, right? And if you got everything set up in here, they watch step number 2, they click this link, you get paid here as well. They drop in their link and hit save, so they can do the same thing. And of course, you got step number 3. It's the same process, right? Again, they click this link to activate. They drop in their affiliate code, they hit save, and they also have their own link here to use. There's training and everything that's set up in these systems. There's support, there's FAQs. There's a lot of different things that's laid out in these systems. And this is why I like them, because they're so powerful. And this is why I think that as a brand new affiliate marketer or a struggling affiliate marketer, even a seasoned affiliate marketer, these still work perfectly, because if they already have a list, They could blast this out to the list. It's a free system. They could go in there and people right away could figure out, okay, what income streams I need to use. Everything is broken down so they know, hey, if I don't activate a particular income stream, I have a chance of missing out on that commission. So there's a fear of loss factor there that's very necessary in certain marketing programs for people to get off their ass and actually take action. For the ones who take action, of course, as you're building out the system, you're marketing that one link, you could potentially get paid 3 times. And that's what you want to have. And if something actually happens to that one income stream, you could always pull something out and drop something else in there that makes sense, right? So that's pretty much my video, guys, on using or building multiple income stream systems, or not building, but using multiple income stream systems to easily make multiple income streams. And some of these income streams could be very passive. Just depends on what the opportunity is behind the system. But like I said, when you leverage a system, they're generally for free. The training and everything else is done in there for you anyway. You just plug in, you get your link for that system, you start marketing, you just got to activate your different income streams within the system. And from there, you can actually build multiple income streams, because that way you're focused, right? So it's not like 3 or 4 different, 5 different things that you're trying to market all at once, and that's not going to work very well. I've been through all of those things, and I've seen over the course of time that great income stream, multiple income stream systems will always work. So if you're a new or struggling affiliate marketer, make sure you plug yourself into a powerful multiple income stream system that actually has passive income opportunities behind it. This is Julian Lee. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Much love and thanks for being here. If you haven't this up yet, don't forget, click on that link right below the video and get involved with a free multiple income stream system that I'm working with as well. And I will see you in the next video. Salute and thanks again. If you haven't this up yet, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click on that bell button, and so that way, as I'm putting out my videos, you'll get the alerts right away as soon as I make them available, okay? Because I'm trying to put out as much content as possible and give you guys more opportunities where you could actually succeed online with affiliate marketing. This is Julian Lee. Thanks again. Much love. And don't forget, click that link below in the description. I will see you in the next video. Take care.